Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to use a ukulele pick. These are called picks. So here's the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is like this. Down, up, down. No. Down, up, down. Then stop. Down, up, down. Then stop. And then you can switch to another string. Just each string without like. And then stop, then stop, then stop, stop, no, stop, stop. You just have to always start with that, and you can't just do two legs or this. You can't do that, you have to do all four strings like this. So like this. So like down, up, down, down, up, down, pause, down, up, down, pause, down, up, down, pause. See, they always need to have pause in the middles. Hope you learned something. Bye bye.